Hello everyone, this is Baranya and welcome back to Odia eSchool. Today we are going to be continuing the series in which we learn our Odia alphabet. And so far we have already learned our vowels, aka our Swaravarna, the Ka family, the Cha family, and now we're going to move on to the Da family, which is the next family of our Byanjana Varna, or consonants. Let's get started. Okay, so here's how we pronounce the letters in the Da family. We're gonna curl our tongue up to touch the hard palate and then release it quickly. So this is actually called retroflex. All right, and here's how you pronounce the letters. Da, ta, da, da, na. You'll see again our second rule for families, and that rule is that the second and fourth letters will have more stress on them than the first and third. So ta has more stress than da, and da has more stress than da. All right, let's move on to writing.
Welcome back to the writing session. From our previous audio learning videos, we have learned how to write the vowels, letters from Ka and Cha families. In this video, we'll learn how to write the letters from Ta family. Are you ready? Let's start with Ta. One small nice circle, a half circle, and a line. Easy. This is Ta. Next letter is Tha. Tha is the simplest one. You will love it. A nice circle. And done. This is Tha. Cool. Next is Da. A line, a half circle, loop, and another half circle. Yes, this is Da. Next letter is Dha. A half circle and a nice loop at one end, a loop on the other end, and another half circle. This is Dha. Last letter in Ta family is Na. A small flattened circle, half circle, loop, another half circle, and a line. Looks cool, right? Yes, this is Na. All right. Now it's time to read some words. We will use only the letters we have learned so far in our Odia learning videos up to Ta family. Let's start. Khata, khata. Ota, ota. Runa, runa. Kathau, kathau. Kataka, kataka. Awesome. Reading is fun, right? Okay, with this we have completed Ta family. In next session we will learn about Ta family.
Once again, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, comment down below if you have any questions.